Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to take attendance, to run an attendance report through Canvas. You're going to start by being inside your Canvas course, and you're going to come over and click on People in the sidebar. Once you do, you're going to notice a green button that you don't have there by default. I will show you in a different video how to install that green button. But I click on the green button, and it's going to run a report. Okay? After you click Start, it will begin running the student usage report. It will take a couple of minutes for the report to run. The way you'll know it's done is that it'll say done, just like this, and it'll show up right down here in the lower left because it created a file and it put it in your downloads folder, and it's showing it right down here. Okay? When that's finished, and you can go do other things while it's running if you need to, but when you come back here and you do see it down here, that means it's done. When it's finished, you're going to open a new Google Sheet. You know, you can do it either from here and all that, but there's a quick, if you just type in sheets.new right up here and click enter, it'll create a new Google Sheet. Then you will go to File, Open, and you want to do an upload. Now, if you still see it showing up down here, then you can click it and just drag it into here and drop it, okay? But as you can see, it's not showing up down here anymore. So I have to click Upload and select a file. And like I said, it's in your Downloads folder. And you'll see it here. It's the latest one. It's called .csv. Okay, so you'll choose it and click on Open. And it's going to open it just like this. Now you're going to have to filter it. So you're going to click this filter button. Don't click the little arrow, just click the filter button. And you'll notice all these little columns show up with a little filter to use, okay? In the column Last Access that shows the last date they accessed it, you're going to click the little filter button, the green one right there. And here you'll notice that all the dates are check marked. You don't want that, so you're just going to click Clear. And then you're going to scroll down and only choose the date you're looking for. Usually it'll be yesterday, right? Because you're checking the attendance for yesterday. So you're going to choose it, and it'll put a little check mark next to it. And then you'll see the check mark. Then you're going to click OK. Then you're going to come back to PowerSchool and open the class you're wondering about, okay? And here you're going to have to change this to yesterday's date, so you're not looking at today's stuff. It changed to yesterday's date, and I notice here that I do have an absence. One of my virtual kids was absent, okay? And so his name is Fernie Sancho. You can't see it there, but his name is Fernie Sancho. It's a fictitious name, okay? So I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet, and remember, all I see is that date. And so I'm going to do Command F so that my find feature comes up, and I'm going to type in who I'm looking for right here. So I type in Sancho, and it finds him. If it finds him in the report, then he logged into the class at some point on that day, and you can mark him present. Even if he didn't do the assignment, he was in the course, and so you can technically mark him present or remote, whatever they tell you to do. Okay? And it's that simple. Then you'll go back and do the same thing with each of the classes. If you see anybody absent, you can come over here, do Command F so this comes up, search for them here, and if they don't show up, they never got into the class that day. Hope that helps.